My name is Carl Herberger. I'm Vice President of Security Services at CyberSheath Services International. CyberSheath provides cybersecurity services to the U.S. Defense Industrial Base. Any commercial enterprise that does a contract, either as a prime contractor or a subcontractor to the U.S. Department of Defense, is a potential customer or already a customer of CyberSheath for cybersecurity services. There's 4 great reasons to go with the Managed CMMC Compliance services by CyberSheath. The first has to do with the uniqueness that we bring to the marketplace. We bring to the marketplace the ability for you to actually manage compliance levels within your environment at different levels of compliance, levels 1 through 5. Also, we bring a very strong compliance model that you understand exactly where your responsibilities lie and where we lie in that model. The second is this notion of scale. Because we're using the Azure Marketplace and Microsoft as our key partner, we can bring with you scale that is beyond compare, both for the government scale, the data sovereignty scale, as well as computing and processing scale. The third is actually security. Compliance doesn't always equal security, so we're very interested in actually providing you very strong security, and the Microsoft portfolio is fantastic for the ability to actually round out a zero trust model. And then the fourth is around experience. And of course, Microsoft technology comes with it. What everybody understands is that world-class iconified capability of technology with a decade-old company that does nothing but defense industrial-based cybersecurity. That combined brings you a powerful combination of scale, security, experience, and uniqueness in approach. Microsoft Azure Sentinel provides for the backbone of the CyberSheath cybersecurity continuous monitoring requirement, as it is detailed in the NIST 800-171 and the CMMC requirements by the US DoD. The Microsoft Azure Sentinel solution is wonderful in that it has the ability to actually continuously monitor you where you are, where you operate. So whether or not you're operating on the Azure cloud, of course, or if you're operating just on pure premise capability, or if you have a hybrid solution set, or if you have multi-cloud capability, the Azure Sentinel solution extends your continuous monitoring no matter where you're operating. We call it meet you where you are. So the Azure Sentinel solution for CyberSheath is our core backbone for cybersecurity. To get started is very simple. We're on the Azure Marketplace. You can go to our website. For us, we just need to understand a little bit about the size of your business so we can get you a proper quote. It's a fixed flat fee that comes with all of your licenses that are required to get your compliance done. With that, as we mentioned, we'll meet you where you are, but all of those Microsoft wonderful licenses will be included in a fixed flat fee that we manage your portfolio.